we had to focus on use cases that were so important that we could convince other countries to basically make something legal so that we
Hmm.
could get started and actually show scale and learn by doing in the real world. Our first customer was Rwanda, started by delivering blood transfusions to 21 different hospitals and health facilities. Zipline has now expanded to 5,000 hospitals and health facilities globally. It's become the largest commercial autonomous system on Earth. It saves about 17,000 lives a year, predominantly moms and kids. And that service is continuing to grow exponentially fast, now in partnership with the US government, which we announced a few weeks ago.
Yes, a
Um,
$150 million grant that's going to be matched with up to 400 million from African nations, I think.
that's right. And that'll actually expand us from about 5,000 hospitals and health facilities to over 20,000 globally. It'll, it massively expands that kind of like autonomous network to more than 100 million people who don't have access to that kind of logistics today.
Yeah.
But all of that, what that all resulted in was Zipline achieving more than 135 million commercial autonomous miles
Mhm.
with zero safety incidents. And so
Oh
this
wow, I didn't
is,
know it was actually zero. Well
yeah,
done.
yeah. And by the way, when you compare that, to delivering things with a car, if you were to deliver 100, if you go do 100, 120, 130 million commercial autonomous miles in a car, you're going to have 600 crashes, over 100 injuries, and somewhere between 2 and 6 fatalities.
Yeah.
And so, Zipline isn't just about the lives that we're saving by like delivering these crucial products to the right place at the right
It's also
time.
how you deliver them and how that impacts the world. And also back to your point earlier about, people don't have to be in their own car. If you don't have to have someone bringing your food to you in a car, the roads are less congested. The streets are
Exactly.
safer.
You're
I mean,
reducing,
there's a lot of benefits.
yeah, exactly. And so, this is also safer for the neighborhoods that we serve. And yeah, on the neighborhood point, I mean, I think people are always a little wary of like a new technology. They're not exactly sure, but it is possible to build this technology in a way that is really, really quiet. I mean, Zipline is 6 times quieter than the next closest competition, despite delivering a lot more payload. And so, having it be quiet, having it be safe, having it be clean and fast, and
Yes.
reducing traffic and pollution in our neighborhoods is a huge benefit. I don't think we fully appreciate like the degree to which we've had to give over like the sidewalks and the streets in our neighborhoods to these like kind of commercial applications.
AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our industry, but for founders, it can prove very frustrating, largely because cloud costs are so unpredictable. This has probably happened to you. You've planned out and budgeted a certain amount for a project and then been hit with a massive bill with no real explanation for what went wrong. If you're feeling like the cost of working with this innovative technology is just too high, finally, we have a solution for you. Crusoe. They are the AI cloud company that's taking an energy first approach. What does it mean? They efficiently access their power directly from the source and pass all the savings along to you. This isn't just about saving some cash. Crusoe's architecture is specifically optimized for your AI workloads, and their customer support response times clock in at under 6 minutes. Here's what I want you to do. Visit crusoe.ai/savings to receive $100,000 in credits for virtualized NVIDIA GB200 NVL72 on Crusoe Cloud, pending availability. That's CRUSOE.ai/savings.